Welcome back to another hard gaming video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to get to the chicken bird cliff farm. So first you go to the Rose Church and talk to Var.
Be sure to try that. There's no reason the tarnished was...
So the first thing that he gives you is he gives you these 3 bloody fingers, which, where are they? Here they are. So you have to use, actually I think he gives you 5 and you have to use 3 of them. So let's see, so I'll invade 3 people and then I'll come back to you. Alright, so I just finished it. Now let's talk to him again.
So pleased you're here. I'm glad that you're enjoying my gift. I knew it from the very start. You have a taste for noble blood. A knight to serve Luminary Moog, the Lord of Blood, and establish a new dynasty. Luminary Moog has strength, vision, and of course, love. So, what do you say, my lambkin? Yes. Who would have it any other way? Now, take this.
Alright, so you get this like piece of cloth thing from him.
Final trial. Soak the cloth with a maiden's blood. Normally this ritual would involve killing one's own maiden and recanting the wisdom of the 2 fingers. But since you are maidenless, the blood of anyone's maiden will do.
Alright, so you get this piece of cloth and you gotta soak it with blood and stuff. So now where you're gonna go is you're gonna go northeast of this place to the 4 belfries. If you don't have it already marked, then you just gotta go through the swamp area and go up here and then up. So then once you're at the 4 belfries, the one at the very top has a chest. I've already opened it, but it gives you this imbued stone sword key. And then you go to this belfry right here. Use the imbued stone sword key right here, and then go through this teleporter. So after that, then you cross this bridge, go right, and here is the boss that you started the game fighting. There's a spider thing with the 2 swords and the shield. Yeah, that's right here. So once you kill him, you can go over here. Keep on going straight across the bridge, up these stairs, and then to the left up these stairs, through this door, and then to the left. And now you dye the cloth with maiden's blood. Alright, and now you go back to the church of the Rose Church.
Ah, my lambkin. You've completed your final trial, and with this, you are a formal inductee, a knight who will assist Luminary Moog, the Lord of Blood, in the establishment of a new dynasty. Now, give me your finger. This noble blood will be an immutable badge of honor once it settles inside of you.
Alright, now he's gonna cut off your finger apparently, but your finger doesn't go. Just like, it's a very, very long animation for it.
Oh, good heavens. Clench your teeth or something. never forget that feeling of agony, for it is what binds you to Luminary Moog, to all of us. You have the sweetest scream, my lambkin. Oh, another thing. You should have this.
Alright, so the medal is what you... yeah.
By the new Mogwin dynasty.
Yep.
With the power to grant audience.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
I've gone out of my way, but you mustn't use it just yet.
Oh, why not?
The meeting must wait until the Luminary Moog. We must...
I'm gonna use it right now. I'm not gonna listen to that guy. So you got this medal, you click on it, you use it, go to the audience grounds, yep. Alright, now you go on your horse and follow this route because there's lots of big skeletons, strong little frogs. So you run over here. Over here. And then over here. Then you gotta pass all these frogs. And here you are at this site of grace. So quickly rest at it before you get killed by all these guys. Actually, they seem to have lost interest in me. Well, now you turn your attention to over the cliff. So get out your bow. There we go. And then shoot this guy. Oh, there we go. And he falls off the cliff, and then you rest at the grace. Each kill gives you 11,000 without the scarab. And if we put on the scarab, this is how much it'll give you. $13,000 about. So you can get lots of runes from this very fast. 13,000 a kill. And yeah, thanks for watching, and that's how you get to the chicken bird kill cliff farm. Bye.